Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In today's video, we will learn how to introduce yourself in German. After this video, you will be able to say your name, where you are from, where you live and what you do. So let's start. What is I am in German? In English, we say I am, but in German, we say ich bin. Repeat after me. Ich bin. Ich bin. Name. How to say your name? To say your name, we use Ich heiße. Ich heiße, which means my name is. Or Ich bin. Ich bin, which means I am. For example, Ich heiße Varun or Ich bin Varun. Now you repeat with your name. Ich heiße. Ich bin. Where you're from. To say I am from India, we say Ich komme aus Indien, which means I come from India or I am from India. Repeat, Ich komme aus Indien. Now you say it with your country. Ich komme aus. Ich komme aus. Where do you live? To say where you live, we say Ich wohne in. Ich wohne in. That means I live in. For example, Ich wohne in Bhopal. Ich wohne in Bhopal. That means I live in Bhopal. Now your turn. Ich wohne in. Ich wohne in. What do you do? To say your profession, we say Ich bin Studentin or Ich bin Student. That means I am a student. Ich bin Lehrer or Ich bin Lehrerin. That means I am a teacher. Quick note. Student is used for male student. Studentin is used for female student. Lehrer is used for male teacher and Lehrerin is used for female teacher. For example, Ich bin Studentin or Ich bin Lehrerin. Now you say Ich bin. Ich bin. Now we will learn a basic and very important grammar rule, that is basic sentence order. Basic sentence order is subject plus verb plus object or other information. For example, in this sentence, Ich is the subject, comma is the verb and aus Indien is the other information. The complete sentence is Ich komme aus Indien. Another example, Ich wohne in Bhopal. Ich bin Studentin. Always remember, verbs comes in the second position in a normal sentence. That is a very important grammar rule. There are few questions you must know when you are doing a small conversation with anyone. 3 common questions. Wie heißt du? Wie heißt du? That means what is your name? The answer will be Ich heiße and your name. Second question, woher kommst du? Woher kommst du? That means where are you from? The answer will be Ich komme aus. Ich komme aus, your state or your country's name. Last question, wo wohnst du? Wo wohnst du? Where do you live? The answer will be Ich wohne in. Ich wohne in and your current location. Repeat after me once. Wie heißt du? Woher kommst du? Wo wohnst du? Now let's speak full introduction together. Hallo, ich heiße Varun. Ich komme aus Indien. Ich wohne in Bhopal. Ich bin Student. Now pause and speak your version. Now, I have a small challenge for you. In the comment, write your introduction in 4 lines, like this. Hallo, ich heiße, ich komme aus, ich wohne in, ich bin. I will read your comments and correct them if needed. This is for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye. Cheers.